What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Chomper video. So if you know me, you know that dent right there has bothered me since the day that I got this truck. For whatever reason, out of all of Chomper's flaws, I just can't stand that little ding in the bumper. So I went on Amazon and you can get an entire new bumper replacement for $100. Now, is it gonna be crappy and look terrible and fit terrible? I don't know. We're about to find out. It actually come with all the little parts and pieces on it. If so, that's going to be bonus points for sure. Thought we were going to have to transfer everything over. Alright, there she is. Feels heavier out of the box than in it for some reason. Seems that it does come with the brackets. Truth. Dun, dun, dun. Dude, there she is. Now some of the plastics are either not fitting good or not pushed all the way into place. But as far as the chrome goes, let's inspect. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. The chrome is like janked up right here. What the heck? That bums me out. You can see it right here. It's like almost a crease look. Dang it. That bums me out. Cause it like honestly seems pretty freaking good. You had a push pin in the bottom of that, or even just swap the plastics. Dang it. I'm not keeping that though. Well, maybe I'll try returning it, getting a new one, see if it comes in better. I don't know. I mean, this is cool. Comes with the chrome ones already. Doesn't come with that guy, but we have that. Little stoppers. Plastics look good. Crap. Wanted to get this on today. All right, guys. A few days later, we got our new bumper in, but unfortunately, I do not have high hopes. She has arrived in pretty freaking rough shape, so probably going to be beat up, but let's find out. Definitely not looking promising, unfortunately. And if it is tore up, we're gonna go with some other option. And this video is just gonna be a fail compilation of the reasons why you shouldn't buy on Amazon. There's a lot of good reasons why you should, and there's a lot of cool products, but sometimes you just can't get one delivered to you in good enough shape. First one got delivered all right, but was a factory defect. So another random washer and bolt. Let's get the cloth off of it. All right. Still pretty promising now that we're getting it open. Gosh, one of the freaking bags with all the hardware is fallen. We got a broken push pin. Fallen. They've not fallen, they've come undone. We got, oh gosh. Bolts, nuts everywhere. But do we have any dents or flaws? So far, so good. Let's see her. It's got a freaking ding right there. Man, that's so freaking frustrating. I mean, that would bother me just as bad as freaking that. you can see another one of those like ripples right here. So I guess this is just what you're going to get for $100. You're just not going to get a premium bumper. So if you're just trying to slap something on there, there's another impact. You're just trying to slap something on here, if yours is totally rusted and rotted out, this might be a good option. But if you're worried about it not being as premium as possible, it looks like you can't get away from the old rule, you get what you pay for. That's going to be the case here, unfortunately. So rats. Oh well, I think we're going to make this a video. This is going to be the ultimate fail of attempting to be a cheapskate and buy a $100 replacement bumper for your GMT 800. Just doesn't quite look like it's going to happen. So I guess now we're forced to try something different. I think we're going to have to go with a different generation bumper on here, swap it up. Only reason why I wanted to try this, because if it was a real nice replacement bumper for $100, dude, that's a freaking steal of a deal. But it just doesn't look like it. That probably was caused from a bolt slamming from the inside. This was caused by something hitting it from the outside, and the little chrome imperfections, the wrinkles, you can see them. I think that's just going to be cheap chrome. Yeah, it's bad. So guess I'm going to be going through my second really annoying return, because this thing is humongous and hard to lug around. I guess that's the video, boys. Comment down below, let me know what bumper you think we should go with. GMT 900, 14 plus, 19 plus, aftermarket. I don't know, let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one. It's the elusive extended cab short bed. I have to pull over and look at it. I freaking love these trucks. 9,200 or best offer, 240,000 miles. No shot. No shot we're doing 240,000 miles, but man, I freaking love these extended cab short bed. Got some rust on the gas cap. Cloth. Yeah, it's a good charcoal color. Dadgummit. We're not getting it, but at some point we're gonna have an extended cab short bed cat eye. That thing looks freaking sweet.